I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very interesting question on function notation. The question is, provide example for functions f of x and f of y such that f of x times f of y is equals to f of x plus y. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now what we need here to do is to find two functions f of x and f of y so that product of these functions is equals to f of x plus y. Now one of the best examples here is exponential functions with the same base. So if I take, for example, f of x as equals to, let's say, 2 to the power of x, and f of y as 2 to the power of y, right? So that is the independent variable. In that case, what is f of x times f of y? So when you multiply them, you get 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of y. Since the base are same, we could write this as 2 to the power of x plus y. Do you see that? 2 to the power of x plus y, correct? So we can write this as f of x plus y. Do you see that? So this type of an exponential function is very special indeed, where you could write f of x times f of y as equal to f of x plus y. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.